Um, hey guys, I'm Lincoln, and today we have got the motorbike, so we're putting in a service, and we have to fill this up with the fuel that I've got over there in my toolbox that we bring over today. So this little bolt here, this one here. So we're going to use my screwdriver to crank it open.
Yep.
And let's just go on the other side.
So where are we going to drain it into?
We're going to drain it in to here.
Okay. All right. So let's go get the. What do we need? We need a spanner. Okay. So take them over to your toolbox.
Yep. So we've got different kinds of fuel in here.
Oils, eh?
Yep. So we've got a pee-wee oil and all sorts of other ones.
So we want to grab out which oil we're going to use for the gearbox.
So we only have to open
Not yet, eh?
this up, and then we can open these up. So if it's shut like this, you can't open it. So I'm using all my strength. So you see how I'm doing this, trying to open it up, and you see over here? So I've got that, so I can't even open it.
Okay. You want to get the spanner?
Yep.
All right. You grab the spanner out to do it.
The spanner. So here's the spanner. So.
Is that the right one?
Yep.
What's that? What is it?
This one.
13? Cool. Okay, let's go undo the bolt.
So, the bolt over here we're doing. It's quite hard to get it in. And we tried to.
Do you want me to give it a crank?
Yep.
Yeah. Hold on. You gotta go.
Oh, that one.
Pull it towards you. Hold on a second. Go on to pause and I'll loosen it off.
My dad just paused it so he could undo this. So we're
Gonna take it out, yeah?
taking it out.
Careful. Watch it slowly. Stop about there. Yeah. Get that under so we're gonna catch it. And then it's gonna all come out.
Yep.
There we go.
All's coming out.
There we go. All good?
Yep.
Alright, so let's get a rag. We're going to clean up the bolt. There we go. Yeah, clean the bolt up. What's on there is like a little magnet. So any metal shaving, any metal shaving is caught on the end of that. So when you pull it out, it takes any shavings out of it. Right, how are we going under here?
Quite good.
A little lean.
A little further. And there.
Okay, get the rag and then give that a wipe. There you go. Good wipe. Right, now what do we got to remember to do? Got to put it back in, don't we?
Oh, you guys, you see I just got some on me.
Alright, we go pop it in. Yeah. Wind it in. That's it. Keep going until it gets tight.
Okay, got time.
Here's the spanner. So onto this way and then tighten it that way. Hold up. Give it a tighten, take it off. And then do it again. Yep. I'll give it a quick check. Yep, that's all good. Alright, so we put this out the way so we don't kick it over, right?
Yep.
Right.
There we go for that part.
So we've got to put that away, yeah? You put it back in the toolbox so you don't lose the spanner. Okay. Now
So
where are we going to fill it up? Go.
Over here.
Is it there, eh?
Yep.
That's where we put all the oil back in.
Yep.
How much oil do we need to put in it?
200.
200? Alright. I'll get that. It's probably quite tight. There you go. You can take it out. Other way. Yep, keep spinning it. Yep, lift it out. Cool. Okay. Now, where's your filler?
Over here.
There it is. Okay. Just go put it in the hole.
Yep.
Yeah, should hold it there. That's okay. We'll go get the oil first, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, you go get the oil.
That's going to hold it. Don't touch it.
Okay. So get the oil. Check it. Cool. Okay. How much we got in there?
About.
Oh, we set it flat. Right. So I know we've got to take it down to. So if you want to hold this, and film down there, I'll pour it on in.
Hey guys. So we filled the fluid up. So I am putting it back on.
Getting the cap back on.
Okay. Sometimes it's just a little hard to do bikes. It's a little hard for me.
You got it? Yeah, you've got it. Oh, that was good.
So as you guys see, my dad got some right there.
Yep. So you want to clean up the couple of drops there around the engine. A little bit of a clean. Cool. Only a couple of drops. Cool. Okay, so that's the gearbox done. So what do we want to do? We want to see how many hours we've done. And we've got to put it in the logbook. What's that say?
83.
83. Okay. So we get the logbook. Here you go. Oh, hold on, I'll pause it and get. Alright, we're back. So what's the date today?
83.
Well, that's how many hours we've done. So I think it's about the 17th. 17th of the 11th. And oil. And now what we've got to do is write 83. Perfect. Alright, so we know that the last time we did oil was at 83 hours. And when do
Yep.
we do the next one? In 2 hours,
Yep.
which is,
A5.
yeah, that's it. Alright, so you good with that?
Uh-huh.
Now we just got to do the filter, eh?
Yep.
Nice work, mate.
Bye. Subscribe and hit the bell and then subscribe to